The Amazon rainforest, located in South America, is the world's largest tropical rainforest and a global treasure of biodiversity. Its vast landscape stretches across several countries, including Brazil, Peru, Colombia, and others. Using a drone to photograph the Amazon rainforest allows you to see its lush green cover, winding rivers and diverse wildlife from above. Known for its unparalleled beauty and ecological significance, the Amazon rainforest attracts millions of tourists each year. Travelers are captivated by its lush greenery, diverse wildlife, and breathtaking landscapes. From dense canopies to winding rivers and cascading waterfalls, the Amazon rainforest offers a truly immersive experience for nature enthusiasts. Tourism in the Amazon rainforest provides not only an unforgettable experience but also contributes to local economies and conservation efforts. Many tour operators work closely with indigenous communities to offer sustainable tourism options that respect both nature and local cultures. Visiting the Amazon rainforest offers a unique opportunity to witness its unparalleled beauty while gaining a deeper understanding of its ecological significance. Whether it's exploring vibrant flora and fauna or learning about indigenous cultures that call this region home, a trip to the Amazon promises an adventure like no other.